Hi, this is Nick from Team Punisher Airsoft UK. Today I'm going to be looking at Tokyo Marui VSR 10 G-SPEC, which I bought a little while ago. It's stock standard out of the box. I've done nothing to it. I've got an NC style scope on top, 3 to 9 times optical zoom. Got some mesh hiders on the front there just to stop the BB smashing my lens. Really looking forward to seeing what this performs like on a 20-yard range across the garden. Like I say, it's about 300 FPS out of the box. We'll upgrade it at some point and should be eventually pushing the 500 FPS, so watch out. Anyway, here we go. It's 2 for 2. That's lovely smooth slide bomb action on there. That's 3. I've got balloons on the target and they're really blowing around. Oh, that's the tree. One more. So that's 4 out of 5. What a great little piece of equipment. Recommend it all day long.